Are you a woman? Do you know you can apply for up to $2,500 grant? If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to apply for these $2,500 grants. Yes, so if this strikes as something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Make sure that you like this video and introduce yourselves. Where in the world are you watching from? Yes, if you're new to my channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper mo emigo mo. So let me go ahead and introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves in the comments. Of course. So my name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer based here in California, and I drop 3 to 4 videos every week on this channel. It's your money making. You know, when it comes to all things money, you want free money. You want to make money online? You want to make money? There are so many lazy ways to actually make money that I also share on this channel. So make sure that you join this winning team. If you have not, join this family. Join this family and be part of this. Don't even sleep on it. So without further ado, just come with me. Let's go. I can't even wait to share with you guys how you can apply for this $2,500 grants. Come with me. Let's go. If you're a woman or you identify as a woman, okay, let's go. All right, guys. So in today's video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to apply for these grants. And of course, you know, when I mention grants, I'm talking about free money that you don't have to pay back, unlike loans that you have to pay back, and of course with interest. This is a $2,500 grant that you do not have to pay back. So guys, have you heard about Worthy Women's Scholarship application? Guess what? The applications to the 2023 Worthy Women's Scholarship is now open to women, yes, so who have decided to enroll in school to pursue their passions. Qualified applicants are actually eligible to win one of the 3 scholarship categories: $2,500, $1,500, and $1,000. Yes, so I told you on this channel, I'm here to spill the tea on how to make money, how to win money, and how to make money online. Yes, so come with me. This is free money, that you're not paying back. Just so you know, this is a grant that you do not have to pay back, unlike loans that you have to pay back, and of course with interest in most cases. You know I'm constantly looking out for you guys on this channel. So you will need to have to answer, write an essay, and your essay should actually answer one of the 3 questions and address the related issues that they have posed here. So they are looking for essays that are actually honest, thoughtful, and well written. So for you to apply, you have to read the terms and conditions and fill out the application forms that actually follow. Now, to qualify, all papers this year must be enrolled in a continuing education professional studies program. Applicants must identify as a female and be over the age of 30. Now, the paper must actually fit the criteria of the topics that I've outlined. Worthy Incorporated has the rights to the submitted contents, just so you know. Submissions must be sent in the form of the valid email address of the author. The deadline is also subject to extension. So yes, even if it has closed, sometimes I also mention this, that even if the deadline has passed, you can still try, because you never know. The portal might still be open and you may win grants. I met someone that actually applied for grants after the deadline and she won the grants. So guys, if you have any questions or issues submitting your application, please do not hesitate to contact them using this email address, scholarships@worthy.com. So here is how to apply. Like I promised you, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step. So the first thing you do is to fill in your information as the applicant. So your name will be required, your first and last name will be required. The question, do you identify as a female? You select whether yes or no. You also have to input your date of birth, your month, the day, year, and date. So you also have to input your email address as well as your mailing address, your street address, and your city, and select your city and state. Then of course you have to input your phone number, your area code, and your student information. So are you currently enrolled at an accredited college? It's going to ask you that, so you click on yes or no. So if your answer is yes, they will ask you what is the name of the college and what is your major. They'll also ask you what is your area of study. So if you're in art, beauty and wellness, business and finance, or caregiving, or communications, or construction, or education, or engineering, or finance, or healthcare, or human resources, or law and advocacy, or law enforcement, or if you're in the Department of Marketing, or if you're studying mental health, or if you're studying non-profit, or if you're studying nursing, or other, please fill it in the details. What is your degree level and what is your current GPA? Yes, and you have to input it as well. So it is super easy, like I've outlined for you guys. It is super easy. Head over to the website and apply for this grant as quickly as possible. I think they gave the option of applying via mail, as in if you want to mail them the the application, or you want to apply online. But I don't think PDF is allowed. So I mean, yeah, I don't think PDF is allowed. So you can apply online. I would advise you to apply online than mailing them these documentations, because it's super easy. It's easy. You can do that from the comfort of your home. Just go right to the website, input your details, and of course you're on your way to winning up to $2,500 grants. On this channel, I'm constantly looking for opportunities that will help you become a better version of yourself. So head over to this website, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't enjoy these benefits alone. Don't just hear about it alone. Please do well to share with your friends. I mean, share with all your friends, your family members, your Facebook groups, your WhatsApp groups. Share in your village members, your family members, your Facebook, just share. Share on Ireland, share on different social media platforms. Let's allow this juicy information. And I'll also be sharing with you guys so many ways, amazing ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home, lazy ways to make money, weird ways to make money, ways to make money that you are not even thinking about. On this channel, I've got you covered. Yes, I'll also be sharing some websites where you can make money on a daily basis. I've shared some websites on my channel. Make sure that you check out my other videos. Websites where you make money per minute. Do you know that you can get paid to communicate with dogs? Do you know? Have you heard? Have you seen that video? Make sure that you check out that video. As in, don't sleep on it. And if it is still scheduled, make sure that you turn on your notification bell for my channel. Turn on your notification bell and click on all, so that you get notified each time I drop a new video on this channel. Mariah has always got you guys covered. When it comes to making money, all things money, I'm here to share with you guys various ways, amazing ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home while you sleep. Weird ways to make money, lazy ways to make money, ways that you're not even thinking, and ways that people are not willing to share with you. Here we are not gatekeepers. We share information. We don't know how to hoard information. So on this channel, make it a day to join me in my next video. I know your girl has always got you covered. And if you're here to introduce yourselves, please introduce yourselves in the comments. Yes, what are you waiting for? I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? I want to know you guys. So like I said, I'm working for you guys day and night, and I'm constantly trying to bring you guys the best of the best information on how to make money right from the comfort of your home, right here and now. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Oh, first I want to say big thank you to my Patreon members. If you want to join my Patreon membership, please go ahead and find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Join my Patreon membership and become a member of the inner caucus. You can book a free consultation as part of the perks of becoming a Patreon member of this channel. And of course, I will see you in my next video. If you want to book a free consultation with me, when you book my Patreon, when you join my Patreon membership, of course I'll send the link to you, and you can always book a consultation to speak with me one-on-one at any point in time. I'm working for you guys day and night. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right guys, I'm your girl Chassis. Take care. You want to say hi? Come now. Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Michelle. Okay, that's good. All right then, what do you want to say to your fans and your super fans? What do you want to say to them?
Subscribe to Mariam's channel.
Who is Mariam?
I mean, Auntie Mariam's
Yeah, say it again.
Subscribe to Auntie Mariam's channel.
Like and share.
Like and share.
All right, thank you. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.